Is it time to buy or sell SOXL ETF? In this video, we will explore SOXL in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 3rd of December, 2024, and we are here now to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to overlook any vital updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since the 2nd of December, 2024, our system has ranked SOXL as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.18. Let's examine the performance of the exchange-traded fund during this period. The ETF has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 1.85% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. This amounts to an average daily loss of approximately 0.93% since the ETF was designated as hold or accumulate. The exchange-traded fund is currently situated within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases are likely. The trend observed over the past 3 months points to a potential decline of approximately 9.31% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -20.70% to +17.93%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a modest change of 0.136% over the coming year, with potential returns between -27.30% and +131.62%. This would result in a price range of $21.59 to $68.79 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline: SOXL ETF price down 1.85% on Tuesday. The SOXL ETF price fell by 1.85% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 3rd of December, 2024, decreasing from $30.26 to $29.70. During that trading session, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 2.99%, ranging from a low of $29.40 to a high of $30.28. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 7.2% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume declined alongside the ETF price, which is a favorable sign, as volume typically follows the ETF. On the last trading day, the volume decreased by 36 million shares, with a total of 52 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $1.53 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $70.08, while the lowest price reached $21.34. Currently, the price stands 57.62%, or $40.38, below the 52-week high, and 92.15%, or $348.54, below the all-time high recorded on the 26th of November, 2020, when it reached $378.24. The recent surge in interest surrounding SOXL, the Direction Daily Semiconductor Bull 3x Shares ETF, highlights the ongoing volatility and potential within the semiconductor sector. On the 2nd of December, the ETF was recognized for presenting significant income opportunities through do-it-yourself option strategies, capitalizing on high implied volatility ranging from 70 to 80. This attracts investors aiming to generate yields from such aggressive financial instruments, particularly as the market gravitates towards advancements in artificial intelligence and technology. In the period leading up to December, SOXL recorded an impressive return of nearly 400% from late October 2023 through July 2024. illustrating its potential for high returns, albeit accompanied by a considerable risk of sharp declines. Shareholders have already faced a significant reduction in value, approximately 50% since its peak in July, emphasizing the ETF's extreme volatility. The semiconductor market has experienced remarkable growth over the past decade, expanding by more than 2,000%, driven by soaring demand. Contributing factors include easing supply chain pressures and robust sales in cloud computing and artificial intelligence, positioning SOXL as a key player for technology investments. Looking ahead, the short-term outlook may remain optimistic, primarily fueled by continuous innovations in artificial intelligence and technology. However, the inherent risks associated with leveraged ETFs suggest that investors should proceed with caution. Over the long term, if demand for semiconductors continues to rise, SOXL could sustain its strong performance. Yet, potential downturns triggered by market corrections or insider selling must remain on investors' radars. Overall, the future price movements of SOXL will depend on broader technology trends and market sentiment regarding volatility. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Friday, November 15, 2024, and so far it has risen by 11.4%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is identified. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact short-term developments. The SOXL ETF currently shows a buy signal based on the short-term moving average. Conversely, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, this presents a more negative outlook for the ETF. Should the ETF continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $31.74. Conversely, if it declines, support can be expected from the short-term average at $28.71. A breakout above the long-term average would trigger an additional buy signal, whereas a drop below the short-term average would generate another sell signal, further reinforcing the overall trend. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which reduces overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 12 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 162 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 17 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 28 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 94 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 84 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. SOXL finds support from accumulated volume at $28.46. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, this ETF is regarded as high risk. In the last day, the ETF fluctuated 88 cents between its high and low, which is a change of 2.99%. Over the past week, the ETF's daily average volatility has been 7.08%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $32.16. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL faces its first support level at $28.46. Should this support level hold, it may present a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $28.48, reflecting a decline of 4.12%. This exchange-traded fund experiences significant daily fluctuations, leading to an increased level of risk. Notably, there is a buy signal identified from a pivot bottom that occurred 11 days ago. Is the SOXL ETF a wise investment choice? SOXL displays several positive indicators. However, we still do not consider these sufficient for a buy recommendation. At its current level, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, meaning one should either maintain their position or accumulate more while awaiting further developments. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 4th of December, we anticipate that SOXL will open at approximately 9 cents and begin trading around $29.79. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.